Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.
Hello students, greetings from Firebird Institute of Research and Management, which provides the best PGDM and international MBA course in Coimbatore. We are conducting a free guidance webinar on Feb 17th Friday at 8 o'clock on the topic Tips and Tricks to Score 600 Plus in the upcoming Feb MAT 2023. If you want to join this webinar, kindly register through the link provided in the description box. And also, we have planned one more webinar on Feb 23rd Thursday at 8 p.m. We are going to give you the last minute preparation strategy for the Feb MAT 2023 aspirants who are going to take their test after 23rd. If you want to register for this webinar, you can directly call 887-0046080 or you can register for this webinar through the link provided in the description box. Definitely, this preparation strategy will be useful for you all. Those who are going to take their MAT exam after Feb 23rd, you guys definitely attend this webinar to boost up your score in the next exam. Now, we are going to discuss about the important topics which was asked in the recent Feb MAT 2023 question paper. Now in this video, we are going to give you the toughest part of the MAT exam, mathematical part, which involves 40 questions, right? And already we have uploaded Feb MAT 2023 question paper, mathematical skills part 1. In that we have discussed few questions which was asked in the Feb MAT 2023. Let us provide you the link for this video in the description box. After watching this video, you can watch the video also, to get more knowledge. And coming back, let me give you some introduction about the exam pattern of Feb MAT 2023. As you all know, Feb MAT 2023 comprises 5 sections: mathematical skills, language comprehension, data analysis and sufficiency, intelligence and critical reasoning, Indian and global environment. So totally, they'll ask you to attend 200 questions, which you have to attempt in 150 minutes. That is 2 hours, 30 minutes. And keep it in mind that there is no sectional time limit for every section. And for each questions, the number of marks allotted is 1 mark. And this is the marking scheme. And you will get a minus mark of minus 0.25 for every wrong answer. Now, what are the topics they have covered in the mathematical skills? As I told you, 40 questions will be asked from the mathematical skills, which involves aptitude questions, maths-based questions. So, this time, in the Feb MAT 2023 question paper, they have asked 2 questions from percentage, 4 questions from allocations and mixtures, trigonometry 2, ratio, permutation and combination 2 each, mensuration 3 questions, time, speed and distance, based on trine problem 1 question, compound interest 2 questions, and based on time, speed and distance, boat and stream, simple interest, LCM, partnership, progression. 1 question from each of these sections, and pipes and system, HCF 2 questions, and profit and loss, geometry, number system 3 questions. So the major part they have covered is geometry, mensuration, trigonometry. See, in trigonometry they have asked 2 questions, mensuration 3 questions, so totally 5 questions, geometry 3 questions. In total, you will get 8 questions from geometry, mensuration and trigonometry. So in the upcoming MAT exam also, similarly, if you want to score more, if you want to score 600 plus, as you all know, most of the top colleges will accept their MAT score above 600. Even our Firebird Institute accept the students with MAT score only 600 plus. The basic eligibility is you should get 600 plus in the MAT examination. So if you cover these three parts importantly, geometry, mensuration, and trigonometry, coordinate geometry, definitely you can get 5 to 10 marks from that section. And if you go through the topics like profit and loss, percentage, ratio. See, profit and loss, percentage, ratio, partnership. Percentage, 2 questions they have asked. Ratio, 2 questions, totally 4. And profit and loss, 3 questions, 7. Partnership, 1 question. So based on this and also simple interest and compound interest, it is also 3 questions. Nearly 10 questions were asked based on the percentage. And keep it in mind that if you are thorough with percentage and ratio, you can attempt your data analysis and interpretation part. So be thorough with the concepts like percentage, percentage, profit and loss, ratio, partnership, these topics. Okay, so that you can also attend your data analysis and interpretation part. Okay, first try to concentrate on these topics, and before starting with these topics, you just go through some of your basic concepts like getting out the square values from 1 to 100 and finding out the square roots and percentage to fraction conversion. So keep all these sections in mind. Okay, so after preparing these sections, you just go through the also average concept is also very important, right? After getting thorough with the concepts like basic mathematical skills, get thorough with your other topics, right? Now, see, soon we are going to upload our next video based on February math question paper part 2. For that, kindly subscribe our channel. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to get more videos regarding upcoming MAT exams and the colleges which are going to accept MAT exams. See, if you want to know more about the tips and tricks to score 600 plus regarding FEB MAT 2023 exam, join our free guidance webinar on Feb 17th, Friday at 8 o'clock. We have provided the registration link in the description box. And another webinar we are going to conduct on Feb 23rd, Thursday at 8 o'clock. The topic is last minute preparation strategy to boost up your score. And what are the things you should focus before going to take your MAT exams? We are going to give you the tips on Feb 23rd, Thursday at 8 o'clock. To join this webinar, kindly register through the link given in the description box. Thank you all students. Hello students. Admissions are open for 15 days crash course for Feb MAT 2023 students. A new batch starts from Feb 18. To enroll for this 15 days crash course, you can contact 8870046080, or I have provided the registration link in the description box. With that link, you can enroll for the 15 days crash course. Limited seats are available. Hurry up.
Learn to lead. We make winners who lead.